Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll show you how to get your default icons back on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So as you can see right now we have these pink icons. It is not a very, color for boys, etc. So let's get them to the normal. In order to do that, we simply go to our settings here. We want to reset that. We go to our settings. We scroll down a little until we find themes. And in here we don't go to icons, instead we go to the menu, and at the upper left corner we click My Stuff. In here we choose icons and we simply click the default one. We hit apply, and now it is applying all our default icons. And as you can see, everything is now back to normal. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.